Well, welcome back to the channel. Today it's cup final night, cup final day. So was that 25th of May. I haven't filmed none of this today. We've rotavated Caroline's back garden and we're just packing up, and I thought I'll do a quick video of what we've done. Use the old faithful. You know, who needs to buy compost or topsoil when sieve all the crap out. This is what we're sifting. This is what's left after going through that. So that's what we've done. That's what I always do when I do, like you saw last week, Ben's update on Ben's lawn. You know, that's one way of doing it, the way we did that. And then you've got, of course, a bit chilly now. And then you've got the way other people do it. Kill your grass, kill your grass, scarify it, cut it short and all that lot. And then top compost, well, seed, seed, and then compost. So Caroline's gone to get chips from the chippy round the corner. We don't normally go at hers the weekend, but it's just a pain in the ass. So many days we work, we sort this out. So